we are looking at how to pronounce those two names, the name of plant and sugar substitutes that many are wondering about because both are confusing. We'll be looking at how to say food names and brand names and general vocabulary too many people mispronounce. The first name is said as stevia. Stevia, with a stress on the first syllable. Stevia. Now the second one is more confusing, but it's easy once you know. Erythritol. Erythritol. So stevia and erythritol. It's easy, right? And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. See you there. Thanks for watching.